Android Auto connects your car directly to your smartphone. With the new i40, Hyundai is among the first automakers to bring support for Google's in-car technology to Europe. Android Auto allows you to access your messages, calls and other features you're used to from your smartphone during driving. Without touching the phone itself, you can put it aside. What is on the phone now shows on the car's display: Google Maps, a phone menu, as well as apps for your entertainment. The circular button in the centre leads to the main menu. All the currently relevant information is shown here, including locations you recently searched on your phone. And over here is where you quit Android Auto and go back to Hyundai's built-in navigation system. The connection between phone and car is established via cable. Once it's plugged in, the Android Auto logo shows on the display and the phone stays locked while you drive. You're not even tempted to grab your phone. To make sure your hands stay on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road, Android Auto can be controlled via voice commands. The new i40 has a dedicated voice recognition button on its steering wheel. Voice control works just like on your smartphone. The software understands requests like, "How is the weather in Frankfurt?" or searching for the shopping centre of your choosing. After all, there's Google inside. You can already tell by the way the apps look. Google Maps shows everything you would expect, from opening hours to phone numbers and ratings. And of course, your drive's expected duration with regard to current traffic. Only when your car is parked, a search field will be displayed. Once you press it, a keyboard appears to type in your destination. For safety reasons, this is not possible during driving. For that matter, there is voice control. The most common reasons to grab your phone during driving are probably calls and messages. Android Auto shows them on the car's display as brief notifications. The message itself is not displayed to keep your attention on the road, rather than on screen.
The software can read incoming messages for you.
Then, with the simple command reply, you can dictate and send your answer right away. Just by voice control, no typing required. It works similarly with phone calls. Alternatively, there is the phone menu. Recent calls are shown right at the top, followed by the contact list from your phone. Up left, you can access further options: voicemail, missed calls, your call history, and a regular numeric dialer to call numbers that are not in your contact list. The headphone icon leads you to the music and entertainment apps. Obviously, you will find Google Play Music here, but popular services like Spotify and various radio and podcast apps are also already supported by Android Auto. On the interface, they all look pretty alike, with big buttons for easy access. Again, further options like playlists can be found behind the icon in the upper left corner. Android Auto doesn't only support Google's own services. The Play Store already offers various compatible entertainment and messaging apps. For example, messages you receive through WhatsApp or Skype will also show in your car. Android Auto itself is also an app. It requires at least Android version 5.0 on your phone, and of course a car with a compatible infotainment system, just like the new Hyundai i40, which is available with support for Android Auto from the end of 2015.